In this video, let me show you how to enable dark mode on Messenger. Dark mode is nowadays available for almost every application. So if you want to enable it for your Messenger app as well, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. With that said, let's get right into the video. Open up your Messenger app, and then from here you just need to tap on the three lines that you see on the top left. From this menu, tap on the settings or this gear icon on the top right. And once you land on this section, the first option that you're going to see is dark mode. Tap on this option. Now there are two ways that you can turn on dark mode. If your system or your mobile device is also set to dark mode, you can just tap on the system option and your Messenger will also be turned to dark mode. But however, if your phone is not set to dark mode, this method would not work for you. You just need to tap on the on instead of system and your dark mode of Messenger will be turned on successfully. So that's the quick process of enabling dark mode on your Messenger app. Leave this video a like and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.